Welcome back to the bench. Today we've got a treat. We've got a Commodore Amiga A500 and the treat is that this thing is still got its warranty seals intact. There's one there and there's one there. So we're going to crack this thing open for the first time since it was assembled and the warranty seals will put on there. So, for the first one, boom, and it's broken. So it means that as long as those warranty seals are genuine, which they look like they are, nobody has been in this since it came off the production line. So it should be 100% original. Okay, there's those out, and here goes the second warranty seal. I'll slit this one with a knife because it's actually across there as well. That's the 6 screws out. And let's pop the lid. There we go. And we're in like Flynn. Okay. You can see it looks pretty dusty in here. Okay, keyboard out. Keyboard's pretty dusty, so that's all going to have to be, get all the keycaps off there and get it all cleaned up underneath. We'll just set that for a side for a moment. Oh, and the RF shield is in pretty good condition. There's only a small trace amount of rust here that I can see, maybe a little bit there, but by and large it is in really good condition. I'm hoping this is going to be a later revision motherboard. Hopefully that'll have the space for the extra RAM chips. That's a bit too big. Perfect. Okay, then we just to bend these little tabs back. Oh, they're on there quite hard. Let's get the knife under there. Let's say breaking our fingernails. Screw down there, no. So this should just now lift off. To reveal our motherboard. Yep, and it is the later revision motherboard. Which one is it? They put a sticker over it. Oh, it's a revision 6A. So that's good. So we can remove the solder out of these pads, and we can install another 512k of RAM. Presumably then we also have to put in these resistor networks. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, we might have to populate RP109 and RP111 if we put the extra RAM in there. Or maybe we don't. Who knows? So yeah, there's Fat Agnes. So there's the 8372. Got a 680,000 processor. We've got Gary, Paula, Denise, our odd CIA, and under there we've got our even CIA. The floppy drive is a Chinon make, model FB354. And by and large it looks pretty clean inside. I don't see anything untoward, no leaky capacitors. Capacitors look in very good condition. No signs of bulging, which is always good. So, yeah, we have to get this thing up and running. I need to get a cable made for the video, for the RGB, because I don't have the RF modulator board. But yeah, I want to run it with a monitor anyway, not a TV. So I want to get the best possible picture out of this thing. There's the ubiquitous LM555. That's probably going to be part of the reset circuitry. All Foxconn connectors. There's our RS232 bus. So yeah, looks pretty good. I mean, there's not much yellowing to the plastics, although the side cover here is somewhat yellower than the others, so I would suspect that's probably been taken off a different machine. Likewise, the trapdoor seems to be a bit lighter than the rest of the case, so that may also have been taken from a different machine. Somebody's obviously got some spares and put them on here at some point. Okay, so if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and obviously if you want to get notified of when I post new videos, then you can ring that bell icon, and then thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.